Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create a presentation using Gamma, or this application right here, Gamma app. By the way, this is the link, gamma.app right there, and basically this should be the landing page you should be seeing on your end. So right here is the preview how it works. So right here would be the preview on how it works. Just enter your prompt, generate, and you'll be good to go. So let's try that sample right there by clicking this sign up for free button on the middle part or that one on the top right section. Same thing. By the way, before we get started, just want to check on the pricing because currently we have a free trial. I want to check on this before we get started. And here we have the pricing by yearly or annually. Let's check by month. Currently I have the free plan of $0. I have this features right here, which is pretty good, saying that this is a free trial. For the plus option, we have $10 per month and the pro is $20. And here are the prices for you. That being said, let's go inside and I'll meet you right there. So if you choose to use Gamma for your presentations, you're going to have three options to proceed with it. You have paste and text, or if you have already your outline, for example, you've created on Microsoft Word and how to go with it, use this option right here. You can also import a file, so if I click continue right there, I can import via Google Drive or upload the file, especially if it's a PowerPoint presentation, but this is only applicable for text only. Please take note about that one. However, in this video, we're going to focus on generate. We're going to use AI with it. So simply click on continue, and once inside, this is going to be the AI platform. You're going to have to choose by the three. You can make a web page, document, or presentation. So we're going to focus on presentation. So we're going to have this bar right here to ask us what we like. But before we get onto that, I want to take note that we have right here 1 to 25 cards. But for the pro version, you can use the 15 to 25 cards. For now, I'm going to settle for 7. And then the language is right here. Please take note about that one. I'm going to go with English. So describe what you'd like to make. For example, let's just try how to write a blog. Simple as that. So generate outline. And currently, within the matter of seconds, our outline has been generated. We have 7 topics. 1 to 7, choose the topic of your blog. Conduct research on your chosen topic. And with this part right here, you can already edit your title. For example, choose the topic for your blog. How about I type this on with blog topic, like so. And then if you hover your mouse on this 6 dots on the before the number, you can hold it and then rearrange the titles on how order will it be. You can also delete them if you want a lower card number. For example, you only want 5. Let me just delete 1, like so. I only have 6 now. But with that, I want to go with 7. You can also add a card, but the limit is 20 or 15, I think, for free version. And with that being said, for the settings, you can make it brief, medium, or detailed. I'm gonna go with medium. And then for the image search, this one right here, we're gonna have AI images. Just check it right there rather than the web search. This is a fairly new feature, so please check it out. So image style, if you choose AI images, I suggest you type a description right here. I'm gonna type in happy mood, or rather informative, like so. Informative, perfect. Now there is an advanced mode. If you click on advanced mode, you can check every settings here before you proceed with it. That being said, I think I'm gonna be good enough here, so I'm gonna click on continue, like so, and I'm gonna pick a theme right now. So if you don't like the preset themes, you can shuffle them. You can choose by color, dark, light, professional, and colorful. But for now, I'm gonna go with this one right here, cream, and then click on generate. I'm just gonna wait for the AI to do its magic. So right now, as you can see, it's currently creating my presentation. I'm not even doing anything. This is my mouse, and right there, it has been finished. And with that, this presentation is perfectly finished. For example, everything you type here or you read right there, it is now on your end. And then you can also edit some things here. Let's try this one. So this slide right here has the name conduct research. For example, I want to rename this one sample research. And then the font style and font size will copy its current design. I can even rearrange this one, select layout if I want it, for example, to make it like icons with text. It's pretty awesome, right? It's pretty easy to use if you want it like that. And it's pretty fun. If you're gonna ask me, this is one of the best presentation generation tool I have handled or used so far. And trust me, I have used a lot. And the best part about Gamma is that it has a very cool free trial. It's not that it's very limited, it is actually a lot of credits. And then I want to take note, if you hover on the text, for example, you're gonna see this diamond icon. You can add the card with AI. If I click on that one right there, I'm gonna suggest some images, expand on this with more detail. For example, I'm gonna click on that one, expand on this with more detail. And right now, AI is doing its magic. Again, guys, this is my mouse. Just want to show you I'm not typing anything. And this is the suggested. And there we have it. If I click on that one, remove on it, this is the new design, created by AI. Also, if you want to add manually a card, click on the blank card right there and have some fun with this. You can choose a layout, like so. Perfectly fine. You can add your notes right there, change the coral styling. For example, you want it by default or make it a little bit more red. Pretty awesome, right? You can wide content, full bleed card, the backdrop is right there. It's a very awesome tool. Now, let's say we're satisfied with this one, we're done editing. You can add some more on the right side. You can change the layout templates. For example, I want it a little bit more pyramid, like so. And then this one right here, the basic blocks. You can change the tables by 3x3 if you have a table. And then the list is right here. Of course, take note that this is still a free trial, so some versions are not applicable. But take note also that the AI right here is a pretty powerful tool that is available for free trial. And that being said, if you're done here, on the top section you can share it for your friends for collaboration. They can edit on this project also. Just add their email right here and they'll receive a link. You can share it on your website, export it, for example, as a PDF or PowerPoint. And of course, you can embed it for all of the coders right there. And the best part about this one is that you can view the analytics. For example, you have uploaded this one for a public view. You can check how much interaction or traffic it has made for the past few days. Pretty awesome, right? And then for the Gamma Pro, upgrade to unlock analytics for all individual viewers and collaborators. And that is $15 per month. Also, another thing to take note of regarding this analytics is that if the page view is for everyone or viewers only, you'll see right here when was last viewed. For example, on mine, it was viewed March 13, one viewer. And then if you click on this option right here that says card engagement, you'll see which part of your presentation did people most view. For example, on this end right here, the first section, how to write a blog, is the more time spent. Meaning, this exact section right here, or the introduction of my presentation, did most viewers spend their time. So I can now focus on it and make it more better on future presentations I made. I can now take note on how I made the first presentation or first section and implement it on the first, or rather future presentations I made. Again guys, this is the viewed option right here. You'll see if people viewed all the way regarding your presentation. It's a pretty powerful tool in regarding with analytics to see if your presentation is really unique and then if it's really working. That being said, let's move on. So take note, if you want to try that, please do so. But for now, I'm just giving you how it works, basically for the free trial. And then you can now check it, for example, 4%. Let's try it out. As you can see right here, it's a pretty awesome presentation. And take note, it only took me a few seconds to create this one. Now, on those three dots right there, you can delete or duplicate this gamma. We call it gamma in that presentation. Export, page setup, view source prompt, and so much more. The analytics button's right there also, and I think we're good enough here. And that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.